Good day everyone! Today, we are solving a math problem on simple interest using Polya's 4 methods. But first, let's learn a simple way to solve a math problem using Polya's 4 methods. These methods help you to think clearly and solve problems step by step. These are the 4 steps that you need to know. The first step is to understand the problem. The second step is to make a plan. The third step is to carry out the plan. And the fourth and final step is to take a look back.
And now, we can solve our problem. Now that we have our problem, we can now apply the first method of Polya's 4-step method. The first method is to understand the problem. The problem is Anna invested 10,000 in a saving account that earns 5% simple interest per year. So how much interest will she earn in 3 years? Let's identify the key information. The principal will be the 10,000 that Anna invested. The rate is the 5%. And the time is 3 years. We need to find the interest that she will earn. The interest stands for the letter I. Let's move on to the second step, make a plan. The formula that we are going to use is the simple interest formula. The letter P stands for the principal, the letter R stands for the rate, and the letter T stands for the time. This formula will help us to find how much interest Anna earns. Let's proceed to the third step, carry out the plan. Now that we have our formula and our given, we can now substitute the value of principal, the rate, and the time. Now that the substitution is done, it's substitute in 10,000 for the principal times 0.05 for the rate times 3 for the time. And so Anna will earn 1,500 in interest. And for the last step, take a look back to make sure everything is correct. This will explain our final answer. Anna earns 5% of 10,000 per year. 5% of 10,000 is 500 per year. So over 3 years, 500 times 3 is 1,500.
And that is Polya's 4-step method, a simple and smart way to solve a math problem. Remember to understand, plan, solve, and check. Thank you, everyone.